Welcome back to the Rockwell Bar, my friends. It's R-Jay Rockwell, and today we're not making a cocktail, but today we're making a classic layered shot that is as good to look at as it is to drink. It's the legendary B52. The B52 first gained popularity in the 1970s, and some say it's named after the B52 bomber. They believe the layered look was inspired by its sleek design, while others simply believe it's because this drink packs a punch. Or maybe it was named after the band, the B52s. Either way, after a couple of these, you'll be rock lobstering your way out of the bar. For this eye-catching shot, you need three simple ingredients: Kahlúa, the rich coffee liquor, Bailey's, smooth Irish cream, and Grand Marnier, a hint of orange and warmth. Oh yeah, and of course, a shot glass and a steady hand. First we start with the Kahlúa. Pour it straight into your shot glass as your base layer. About 1/3. Next, the power of layering. Take a bar spoon and slowly pour the Baileys over the back of the spoon to create a smooth second layer. And to finish, we add the Grand Marnier the same way, letting it rest on top for that beautiful three-layered effect. And take a look at that. All three perfect in harmony. Okay, let's crank up the heat a bit. We're gonna carefully light the top for a fiery upgrade. Just make sure to blow it out before drinking. And if your light is on fire, congrats, you just upgraded from bartender to pyromaniac. But seriously, if you try the flaming version, be extra careful. Open flames and alcohol can be dangerous, so don't try this at home unless you know what you're doing. And there it is, the B52 in all its glory. 3 layers, 3 flavors, and 3 seconds to finish it. Challenge accepted. Ooh, nice. That's the B52. Quick, classy, and delicious. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more cocktails at the Rockwell Bar. And let me know what's your favorite shot. See you next time, and remember, drink responsibly and rock well. Welcome back to the Rockwell Bar, my friends. It's R-Jay Rockwell, and today, it's R-Jay Rockwell. Welcome back to the Rockwell Bar, my friends. They simply believe the look, Either way, after a couple of these, you'll be rock lobstering your way out of the bar. For this eye-catching shot, you need 3 simple ingredients. Koala. Stop it.